Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to contact the seller of a product in the Wish app. Just open the app and select the item, scroll down until you find this contact seller button, tap on it, wait a little bit, and then you will have to choose what would you like to ask about. Here are the main topics, and then you can uh, basically talk about your issue and the assistance will help you. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful.